Yo, what is good, everyone? Welcome back to the one place on the internet that gives it to you straight. Today, we're not just looking at another SUV. We are dissecting an icon in the making, a machine that rolled up to the luxury party and flipped the whole table. I'm talking about the Genesis GV80. The question on everyone's mind is, does this challenger have the guts to dethrone the kings, or is it just a pretty face with a good marketing team? Let's peel back the layers and find out. First things first, let's talk about the experience, the feel. Driving the GV80 is like putting on a pair of high-end noise-canceling headphones. The world just melts away. The cabin is so ridiculously quiet, you could probably hear your own thoughts for once. And the ride? Bruh. It's smoother than a velvet painting of a jazz musician. Potholes, speed bumps, questionable city roads? The GV80 just floats over them with this level of disrespect, like it's completely unbothered. It's that kind of top-tier comfort you usually have to pay a king's ransom for. Now, let's step inside, because this is where Genesis really went all out. The interior is straight-up gorgeous. It's a masterclass in design, with quilted leather, real wood trim, and slick metal accents that all feel incredibly premium to the touch. It feels less like a car and more like a futuristic CEO's lounge on wheels. The infotainment screen is massive and crisp, and the whole layout just makes sense. This isn't just about looking good, it's about making you feel like a certified boss every single time you get behind the wheel. And the biggest flex? The GV80 delivers this A-list experience for a price that makes the German competition look kinda greedy. You're getting a whole lot of car and a whole lot of luxury for your dollar. But hey, we keep it real here. No car is perfect. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the stuff other reviews might gloss over. Genesis offers an optional third row, and let me be brutally honest. It's a third row for people you don't really like. It's incredibly cramped. We're talking knees to your chin territory for any average-sized adult. It's fine for small kids on a short trip, but that's about it. Don't go selling your minivan just yet if you're hauling the whole squad. And then there's the thirst. This machine loves gasoline. Whether you go for the solid 2.5-liter four-cylinder or the beastly 3.5-liter V6, the fuel economy is, let's just say, not its strongest selling point. This SUV drinks fuel like it's Friday night after a long week. In an age where every other brand is rolling out mild hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and all-electric options, the GV80 is sticking to pure internal combustion. It's a bold move, and for some, it might feel a little dated and heavy on the wallet at the gas station. If you want a ride that's as fun and informative as this, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and join the family. We're on a mission to find the perfect ride, and you're going to want a front row seat. For the latest model, Genesis didn't reinvent the wheel, but they did add some cool new flavor. Check this. There's a new Prestige black trim. It's basically the GV80 in full stealth mode, Darth Vader's official chariot. It blacks out all the chrome for a super aggressive, moody look that is undeniably cool. They also tweaked the software to include some new off-road driving modes. Will most owners take their shiny $60,000 SUV rock crawling? Probably not. But hey, it's cool to know you could if you wanted to, right? So, what's the final verdict? The Genesis GV80 is an absolute statement. It's a beautifully crafted, incredibly comfortable, and surprisingly valuable luxury SUV that proves you don't need a German badge to feel like you've arrived. It's for the person who values substance and style over a legacy name. It's for the trendsetter, not the follower. Sure, it's got its flaws with that tiny third row and its love for fuel, but its strengths are so compelling that they're easy to look past. It's a machine with swagger, a true game changer. Look, you can spend hours scrolling through boring, cookie-cutter car content, or you can stick with us. We're here to give you the uncut, unfiltered truth with a style you won't find anywhere else. If you value that, the single best way to support the channel is to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It tells us you want more of this, and it ensures you never miss out on the intel you need to make smart decisions on your next ride. Don't be a stranger, be a subscriber. Peace.